This is gift from Lola Neats.
What's in here?
That's your birthday gift from Lola Neats. One by one.
So heavy.
Wow.
Whoa.
Buksan mo na ni.
I got jeans. What's that?
Di ba gusto mo square pants?
Yeah.
Oh.
Now we can twins. Thank you.
Oh, next na. You have a denim square pants.
Oh, what's this? My Abauzuchi.
You want more?
Yeah, more pants. Thank you, Lola Neats. I got 2 square pants.
Yeah.
More square pants.
Kaya pang practice na yun ang gamitin mo. Anong full wardrobe at ang bilin ni Lola dito sa'yo?
Oh, really? A whole wardrobe? I got the same pair with the brown one. T-shirt.
Pakita mo yung mga t-shirts mo.
Gusto mo? Huh.
Kasya sa'yo?
Yeah.
Wow! Ayan, may mga terno-terno ka na.
Thank you, Lola Neats.
Kukunin mo yun. Say hi, kuya.
Say hi.
Hi, Papa. Hi!
Oh. Next na. In the last package. What's this thing?
This plain shirt.
What?
Sa likod yung print.
Enjoy the
Papa.
The prints at the back. Oh, open ito.
It says enjoy the little things. This is singing the most beautiful melody.
And the last one.
Papa.
It says always in a good mood.
Thank you,
Papa.
Lola